Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming with my family, and we are making Italian meatballs, and we're going to show you little twists. We're going to show you the ingredients. There's a little bit of our Middle Eastern family spices in there, and it's gonna be delicious. Also, we just want to send our love to everyone all over the world. We know everybody's going through this crisis together, and everyone's quarantined. We're all shelter in place. So just sending our love and prayers to everyone affected, and everybody stay home and stay safe, and hope you enjoy this video.
So we're cooking the kids.
We're cooking the kids?
We're cooking the kids meatballs.
You're cooking the kids? Yes, he's cooking the kids.
Cooking for the kids. Too much tequila the past 2 days. I can't.
Okay, what's happening here? What are these bombshells?
These are Italian meatballs made from 80-20 ground beef, but it has breadcrumbs, organic breadcrumbs from Trader Joe's. It's got eggs and other ingredients.
Which you could see here.
Hey, voila! You're giving it away. All right, for 2.5 pounds of ground beef, I use these ingredients: Aleppo pepper, 3 fresh eggs, black pepper, Himalayan salt, 7 spice, fresh garlic, fresh onions, and organic breadcrumbs. All right, time to start turning the meatballs on the outside. Ooh, look at that. Look at that color, baby. You know, after browning them, we're gonna bathe them in the tomato sauce, and that's how you get some real. Oh, the smell is incredible. I mean, I wish we could send you the smell in a text, but this is really smells good. All right, so we flipped them once. We'll flip them on the other side one more time. We'll get the tomato going, tomato sauce, and just like that, we have some good Italian meatballs cooking. Looking good. Looking good. All right, here we go, cooking the meatballs. The smell is a killer. I'm telling you, the neighbors might invade us. It's looking pretty good. The color as desired. We're gonna keep flipping it until we brown it all the way around, and after that, we're gonna dip it in a pool of tomato sauce, some marinara homemade, and the 9 whole yard. So it's coming really good. I love the color, love the smell, and the sound. The sound make your mouth water, I tell you. Well, the onions are coming a little loose, that's fine. And we're gonna add some garlic, brown some garlic at the end to give it an extra oomph, if you know what I mean. It's garlic time. It's all gonna come together really nice. Look at the color on those babies. Let's flip those here. Oh yeah, just at the right time. Look at that. Look at that. Those 3 we just added right now. Look at the color on those babies. Delicious. Very delicious. Appetizing. Eyes has to eat. Eyes have to eat first, huh? Look at that. Like the color, Paula?
I love it.
Sure you do. How about the smell? Tell us about the smell.
Oh my goodness.
All these spices.
My mouth is watering already.
From Aleppo. Paula had some stuff imported from Aleppo. We're back at the cooking show here, making some homemade marinara sauce. Got some tomato paste going. We're building the sauce. We're gonna transfer the meatballs over, And we're gonna let it simmer for good an hour and a half, 2 hours. Let the inside of the meatballs cook thoroughly. And then we will update you when we enjoy it later on in the day. All right, we are browning some freshly peeled garlic. And I will dump it over the meatballs. Meatballs already been transferred to the pot with this special marinara homemade sauce. And this will go cook some more. Listen to the sizzling sound of the garlic being, oh yeah. Here we go. Just baby off. Watch out, we're gonna add this garlic and let it cook some more in there. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let me just give it a little bit. Oh, swimming. Swimming with happiness. I love it. The smell is a killer. God bless you, Robert. All right. And we'll keep you updated in about an hour and a half from now. All right. All right. Trim a few branches out of that tree to get the sunlight get to the pomegranate tree and the lemon tree. Out of these branches, I made a few coasters. They look pretty neat, a little unique. We like them. I'm going to be making some more. All right. Okay, we're cutting some manchego cheese here. We're going to grate it over the meatballs and pasta. That's a nice chunk. And once I start plating, we'll come back and show you how we're going to grate the fresh cheese. All right, here we go. We're going to plate our, I just drained the pasta. It's sitting here. We're going to start plating. And it's looking pretty good. This is the pasta. From here, we're going to move to the... oh, yes. This is ready. Ready to be eaten. Some meatballs and pasta. Here we go. It's a healthy meatball. I'll put another one here. This is for Albert. Okay, a little bit of sauce on top. Oh yeah, look at that garlic melting. Look at that. Delish. Delish. Okay, from here I'm going to grate some fresh cheese. There we go. There you go. Oh yeah, look at that cheese melting when it hits the meatball. It's incredible. Oh yeah, look at that. Grated manchego. Oh yeah, I like that. And maybe a little garnish on top. How about that, huh? Look at this, baby. Check it out. Check it out. That looks pretty good.
Goodness, what is this? Mom, what is this? Wow. Wow. I've never had anything like that before. Oh my gosh.
It's kids approved?
Everybody approved.
Okay.
Today we're filming, what are we filming? What are we filming? Let's try this again. Do you like my outfit? This is what goes on behind the scenes, underneath the, underneath the clothes. Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And thanks for sharing and liking and commenting. I love all you guys. and I have such a fun time doing this. I am pumping out more content because we are quarantined, and you know, that's the positive out of this. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Everybody stay safe. Love you guys.